The Model 10-in-1 Steam Mop by Neobot is a versatile cleaning tool that delivers high-temperature steam to tackle stubborn stains without the need for harsh chemicals. With its 10 specialized attachments, this steam mop can effortlessly clean a wide range of surfaces, making it perfect for different areas in the house, like kitchens, bathrooms, and living spaces. This steam mop heats up in just 20 seconds, providing continuous steam for up to 30 minutes, and offers adjustable power settings for both delicate and tough cleaning tasks. Its ultra-maneuverable design, featuring a lightweight body and a 180-degree swivel head, ensures ease of use around furniture and obstacles. The large 13.5-ounce tank and 20-foot power cord reduce the need for frequent refills and allow for extended cleaning sessions without unplugging. For added cleaning power, users can add vinegar to the tank, enhancing its ability to cut through grease and grime effectively.